Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a logo with Canva for free. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and search logo. It will open a square canvas, perfect for profile pictures and branding. Choose a template or start from scratch. Canva has free logo layouts for all styles: modern, minimalist, bold, or cute. Then, edit the text with your brand and channel name. Use clean, strong fonts that are easy to read. You can also add icons or shapes using elements. Just search for something that matches your vibe, like a camera, flower, or lightning bolt. You can also customize the colors and layouts to match your brand identity. Then, click Share, Download, then choose PNG, and check Transparent Background if you have Canva Pro, or leave the background white for free users. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.